Hey, this is AJ. Welcome back to the Handyman process. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Markate CRM Virtual Number and why you might want to consider using it. I waited about a year to use this thing because, quite frankly, I really didn't know what it did. It was a little confusing in the Markate description, but I figured it's $10 a month. I'll give it a shot, and I like it a lot. So I'll go ahead and just a quick overview of what I do and how I use it, and hopefully it's helpful to you if you're on the fence about what does this thing do, because I haven't seen a whole lot of videos explaining it. Stay tuned. Hi, this is AJ, and in today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about using the virtual number that's available as an add-on in the Markate CRM system. So I've been using Markate for over a year or so now, and was always curious about the virtual number. And I did know that when you communicate, like when you send your arrival and complete all the notifications, that if you don't have a virtual number, it basically gets lost in cyberspace. But after I turned it on, I was kind of pleasantly surprised to see a little bit more. So you're looking at my screen here. I'm just shaking it a bit. And up in the top right-hand side there, you'll see that little icon for messages. If I click on that icon, it's going to open up where it says customers here. Now I can basically text directly to my customers right from this interface. Uh, and I noticed after I started using it that I started getting a lot of replies to my arrival notifications and some of my other notifications, whatever they may be. But if I go ahead and just click into a particular message, you'll see it acts just like any other text messaging system. But the cool thing is now everything is kind of encapsulated here directly within the Markate system. So far, I like it. I like the fact that I can share pictures in here. There's a little phone icon up here in the right-hand side that I can make a phone call if I want to directly with them. There is no voicemail or anything associated with this, but so far I like it. So I'm using this in combination with my Google Voice number to kind of stay in touch with people. And going forward, I'm probably just going to use this right off the bat. At first, I wasn't sure how to initiate a direct message if right from the get-go. But if I go into customers here, I notice that if I just click on a customer, and I'll use myself as an example, up in the top here, you see that little icon, that chat icon. Again, I'll go ahead and click on that, and I notice that I can just start a conversation right from the get-go here. So this is my new process. When an inquiry comes in, I'm just going into the new customer inquiry, hitting that button, and going from there. Anyway, there's not a lot of videos on how businesses actually use this. There is some basic Markate stuff to basically tell you how to turn it on. So I'd recommend, just going to that video to see how to activate it, how to turn it on, and you should be able to see that from the help screen down here below. But if you're curious of how it works in real life, this is what it looks like. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.